Bullion Coatings, the gold standard of the industry, is the Houston area leader in residential and commercial concrete restoration and resurfacing with over 20 years of experience. Tearing out and replacing old, cracked, and ugly concrete can become very expensive. Bullion Coatings can repair and install a decorative concrete coating right on top of your existing concrete and make it look brand new. A wide variety of products, colors, textures, and designs are available to create your masterpiece. Whether you are looking for residential work for your pool deck, driveway, patio, front entryway, or garage floor, or maybe you are looking to resurface a large commercial area like a warehouse, hotel, or retail store. Whether interior or exterior work needed, Bullion Coatings can offer an affordable, low-maintenance solution for your project. Call Bullion Coatings today for a free estimate, and if you mention this video, you will receive a special internet discount. Bullion Coatings, the gold standard of the industry.